Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer money from WorldCoin to Binance, and this is actually very easy. At first, you're going to head over to your Binance account and then you're going to click on deposit at the top right, and then you're going to click on deposit crypto. From there, we're going to search for WLD, which means WorldCoin. Once you find it, click on that one, and then it's going to ask you to choose network. Now make sure you are on the right network. So whatever country you're from, let's say you're from Canada, so you're going to head over to Google and you're going to search for the WorldCoin network on Binance for Canada, and whatever network it says, you're going to choose that one. After that, you're going to click on OK. Make sure you copy this paste and save it somewhere, to view the current contract address, because this is very sensitive. And then you could also change wallet, but what I'd recommend is just save the QR code somewhere safely in your phone, and once it's done, it will automatically be deposited into your account, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.